Yeah, I forgot to start the stream recording. Here it is. Oh my god, we closed the gap. Rip. Let me see. Yeah. GG for our gap. I'm deleting it. Invited to speak. Yo. Yes, it is better now. Good morning. Oh yes. Well, we took the low on NQ and we're about to take the high on NQ and ES. Relative target on what time frame? The yeah, I can see that. 500. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, what do we have on NQ? Well, we have some highs. Yeah, 160. Yeah, yeah. We just made 180 points in seconds, so it's not gonna be a problem to see that highs. Yes. I haven't seen what news do we have like later this week. Just that we don't have any news today and tomorrow. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, the high is taken on NQ as well. Yeah, let's see. Maybe we can reverse this gap. I don't want to. I want us to go higher, but just in case, I yeah, because we just took the low. Okay, then let's wait. Yeah, there is a possible short, but once again, I don't want to take it because ES is ahead, and ES will be like behind, and NQ just took the low and the high. Yes, and 1 minute as well. If we don't have anything on 5, I prefer 5. If you don't have anything on 5 or 1, I can take 15 minutes for the entry. But I don't really like taking 15 minutes for the entry. Like the 5 and 1. Wow. We just closed the gap without even 4 minutes. I don't use these time frames like 2 and 3. 2 years by now. I guess I started in summer 24. Nice. Yeah, so what do we do if we sell off? I don't know. Because it's just pump and dump. Yeah. What do we have in one? Mm, well, nothing so far. We just inverse the 1 minute gap on NQ and ES. Yeah. I hate mine days. They like quite often leave me red. Like my worst day, journaling wise, is Monday. Hmm. Yeah. It was like this for me as well. The Fridays, but then the Mondays, like recent Mondays, have been rough for me. So yeah, and seeing this, like the high and the low taken, doesn't give me much of a smile. Mm, yeah, I don't know at this point. It's either the next low or the next high. Because if we go higher and lower beyond these highs and lows, I wouldn't take any continuations. Because of what? We don't know. We took the high and the low. Well, yes, on the other hand, took only the high. So yes, must be more bullish. More bearish. Sorry. It took the internal, yes. With this crazy flip and crazy buying candle. But, eh. Especially like I said, Mondays are quite dangerous for me. So I will just wait for this high to be taken or this low, at least this one, to be taken. Which which is already giving me the cash day vibes, unfortunately. Yeah. I would be fine with this sweep if we didn't take the low right before it. So I would, yeah, I would be looking at this 1 minute. From the point of inverse, it's 55 points. It's more than my TP. So yeah, I would be looking for this inverse on 1 minute. But once again, we took the low, and I don't know what price is gonna do because yeah, just after 50 points, it flips back. Yes, yes, I did. I did. Last week was very good for me. That's why I'm so excited for this one. So Fridays, the infamous Fridays. Oh yeah, and then you just spend the whole weekend thinking about that loss. Well, I have Apex and Lucid. Yeah, full board. Yeah, me too. Because yeah, we came back and yeah, we're definitely gonna go higher. If you're gonna go lower, I don't know. Like I don't want to do anything with it until this low, at least. Preferably the lower low. So yeah, at this point, we just wait. I just wait. And now, let me check. Forex Factory. Are you looking on Forex Factory? Yeah. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hmm. Yeah, I see only the red folders and the orange folders, and it shows nothing on Friday. Let me check. Yeah. Apply. Yes, yes. Bank holiday on Friday. So one more weekend. Fuck. Oh yeah, here we go. So are you gonna wait for it to be taken and then look for a structure shift and some 1 minute inverse? Yes. No, we're actually not slow. We're actually pumping. We were slow. Oh, no, not as fast as I thought. We were slow here, but now we're pumping. And now we're dumping. Yeah, we just wait at this point. Just fish and game. I would rather 5 minute. This one. No, no. Yeah. Mm. Well, we still have one on ES. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab some water. We wait anyway. Well, I love and hate days like this. Days like this when we have a lot of time to think about everything. I just go and code the journal. Yes. Yes, I never dropped a link in the chat actually. I just thought about it. So if you want to try it out, the journal. So this week I'm expecting the full Tradeaway integration, like the official one, when you just click login and have all of your trades open. I will send it in the premium chat and then this chat just to double. Yeah, so that's Tradeaway supports, like, I don't know, employee person is ignoring me for 5 days. I signed an agreement already. So we had a chat. I signed an agreement for this integration, and yeah, just wait for 5 days. Well, it was like Thursday evening, Friday, then weekends, and then this Monday. So I'm expecting her to wake up today. Oh yeah, because she sent me, or the system sent me the unnecessary document, which like the partnership with Tradeaway itself. So I can post a link like, yo guys, if you need a broker, like feel free to choose the Ninja Trader or and Tradeaway. And yeah, if people like start acting, like depositing, trading, I will just get the commission. But I don't need it. I just need the token for official integration, and it's still not here. Because I I've sent it. I've sent it in the both this live stream chat and premium chat. Now we dumping. Oh my god, 100 points. Thank you. I've been working on it since the start of March. Yeah. So 3.5 months plus minus. Almost 4. Well, time flies. So yeah, I don't like fully advertise it because that I was about it. I was about to, but yeah, then this official cooperation came, and I wait for the response. I wait for the official Tradeaway login, and then I will start promoting it and like distributing because I have a couple of deals with partners already. And they on pause just because the Tradeaway support is slow. Yeah, so for now it's a manual import of your trades. Like you go on Tradeaway and you click export, like SCV file, and you just import it in the journal, and it does everything by itself, like draws the charts and displays the data from your trades. But I don't want to start like distributing it now, so I can like with me expecting the changes quite soon, not this week, because if not this week, then when? Yeah, and I expect one more time, like this week is gonna be the week that's gonna be huge for the journal with the official integration. Because I know a couple of more traders are doing their journals right now because I was reaching to them for cooperation, and they no, we do our own. One of them is the very big trader with a like huge audience, and he builds this website. Oh my god, it's so bad, and it has no charts at all. Like Only text, text, text. Yeah, thanks for the feedback. Um, I'm actually have it open right now, like the code wise. Like been fucking with one bug for 3 days. My god. I have the patch note and roadmap section in the journal when I post the updates and post what I'm working on. And I've been working on the replay section. So on the big chart, yeah, the whole backtesting and replay. But all the time I was using TradeAwait, like these 2 years, I was wondering why no one does or at least TradeAwait, why why it doesn't do the live replay? So when the candles actually move, not just appear, as you know the trading view replay system works. So the candle just teleports, they appear like candle by candle, not like you can see the actual live movement within the candle. Yeah, yeah, and I already have this logic in my journal, so it already works, but with some bugs. So yeah, that's the issue I'm fixing for a couple of days. But in general, it works. I have the live live candle movements on like in the replay section. I was super happy when I saw the first results, like the wow, because I never saw it on TradeAway. Well, yeah, Tradezilla is huge. It's a leader, and yeah, I wanna compete with it. And this official TradeAway integration is gonna be a huge step towards it. Yeah, because after this, I have pretty much everything they have. Uh, well, that's the big rip to our longs, to our like equal highs on NQ and ES. Big rip. My god, 200 points. Where can we see it? The tweets in Truth Social. I don't have the account. Maybe just Google Trump tweets. Walter Bloomberg. Yeah, let me open it. So, oh yeah. Yeah, but we need another 200 points for me to look for any trades. Like till the low, because once again we took the low and the high on NQ. We took the high on ES, so we're technically more bearish than we are bullish, like the liquidity wise taken, liquidity taken wise. Yeah, but once again, I fear Mondays, so I would rather wait for the low to be taken. In general, oh man, I don't even know. Like 50-ish? How do I check? Yeah, 41. Actually, yes, I was doing the Instagram page and the TikTok page, but it was a long time ago. I abandoned it, and now actually the first video comes out today. It's like on my new page. I made a new page for Instagram. I will make a new one for TikTok, and the first video is ready. The second and the third need editing. They will come this week as well. So 3 videos this week, and yeah, I have my assistant helping me with the social media, and I have the whole strategy. And yeah, now I only need to follow it and grow social wise. Well, I'm gonna post a story. By the way, I forgot to post a live opening story. Fuck. Well, here is my first mistake. Yeah, I need like the algorithm likes, as my assistant told me, the algorithm likes several stories, like 6 days, for example, a week. Oh my god, so much shit to post. Yeah, so pretty much stories every day. Yes, stories are okay. Yeah, I spent so much time on weekends, like filming those 3 videos. Well, it's like the first cold start, like after month of inactivity, but shit, it was long. Well, consistency is a key. Yes, yes, yeah. So my assistant tells me I need like three reels per week is minimum. Like I need 5, 6, like ideally every day. I was like, oh my god. Yeah. No, I'm editing it on my own. Like I was editing. Maybe I hire someone because it takes a lot of time. I will like. I wanna taste it. I wanna like be be my own editor for now. I wanna try it myself because it's like quite creative. It's like Lego. Yeah, the CapCut. I was My first videos was edited in Autodesk Fusion. It's like some professional stuff, but CapCut seems more professional and more modern. That heavy stuff is meh. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I think we're gonna inverse the gap. Yeah, we have the 15. No. I'm not looking to inverse anything. I'm just reading the market, just to say just to say something while we wait. Yeah, we're inversing the 15-minute gap right now. Yeah, we'll probably go lower after this. Well, I started Lucid because I ran out of space with Apex, and yes, and yeah, I have 5 Lucids, the 50Ks. My Damas, I bought a Flex one, not not the Pro one. Oh well, yeah, like more days to pay out, more money to request. That's how I see it. No, that's I think you're talking about Pro because Flex is the cheaper one. Yeah, let me see. Maybe it's not too bad. Hmm. Lucid Pro Flex. Yeah, Pro is more expensive and it has 3 days to pay out. Drawdown type, funded rules, consistency 40% on Pro. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah. Okay. So nah, I'm not. I'm not gonna full port. No, no, no. No. Yeah, yeah. I've seen a guy doing this. Like he full ported a plus setups and he got he got in like it get it somewhere. Got it him somewhere. Sorry, my blah language. I'm still sleeping. I didn't eat. I yeah spent the whole time like the whole hour near my PC. What? On on 50K, I trade like 10, like 7 to 10, 7 to 10, which is 450 to 650 risk. Yes, with like if I re-enter especially on the Evo especially. Oh my god. Oh, stop. There is no rules on Apex Evils. There are rules on Lucid Evils. Um, yeah, so there are rules on Apex PAs and there are rules on Lucid Evils, which which was a pain in the ass because yeah, especially when I re-enter, uh, I want like minimum the same amount of contracts, maybe a bit more, not like not double size, but a bit more, just because we, for example, inverse in the gap, and we inverse in it like with a good selling or buying, and then we pull back right into my stop loss because it's quite tight, and then we like immediately flip back and inverse again. Then like in this case I can increase the amount of contracts to, I don't know, a couple of more on top. And when this stops me out, oh my god. 90% evils, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Well, yes, took the London low. Thank you taking some small internals. Hmm. There is no gap here. Yeah, just a small 5 minutes and small internals. That's on the 15 minute. Well, for the reversal strategy I use, this is the classic reversal because we manipulated at open, we took the high, and we reversed from it with the bigger move. So that's the reversal I want to see every day. And I don't know. The problem is after this reversal, it's like one or two moves for the day, and that's it. And for example, yeah, it would be a no-brainer short for me if we didn't take the low right before it. Yeah, but here is the classic general idea of reversal for me. Yeah, manipulated from open, took the high or the low, and reversed from it with the bigger move. Well, yeah, we are below the liquidity we took on on ES as well. We have some room on ES, some room on NQ. Do you want to see the 5 minute retrace and entry on 1 minute? 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Wow. For 75 points. Sell off. Yeah, and like during days like this, waiting for the opposite move. Uh, well, yeah, we'll need to take this low to be taken on both of them and Q and yes. so the conditions are as much perfect as we can get in this market. If no, I'm just coming back tomorrow. Yeah, well, we close to the low, but to be honest, I don't want to trade this long idea, because it's just gonna, I don't know, sell off past this low, or just take the low, have a little pullback that we might count as a reversal, and then just go lower again. Well, we took the liquidity on NQ, the small internal, and the big gas. So it's PDA, right? PD array that that we just took. Yeah, and we took the same 15. Yeah, but it's like quite close to it. 67 points, which is like 68, which is nothing. After we saw 500 points. Don't even have this low in my trade weight. No, I have. Wow. Not a single green candle. The 5 minute. No, too late. Even on evil, it's too late, because we are inside the 5 and 15 minute on the S, and we are rejecting from the same gap on NQ. I don't know, the possible shorts, like the evil shorts wouldn't, for me, would be here, like to inverse just this random gap. Oh well, yes, had some space till this main 515. Yeah, I still don't want to reverse from it. I want to reverse from the low. And we took even Asia, but Asia. Yes, I just trade New York. I don't want to trade other sessions. It's like the probability is lower, and I'm just fine with not over trading. Yeah, sometimes. Well, yeah, it's like 20% chance we get something. Like most of the time, AM is enough. Like days like this, yes, they happen. There's nothing we can do with it. We'll get our bread this week anyway. Hmm? Oh. Oh, wow. This guy, oh my god. Good stuff. Invited us. Huh? You reconnected. I invited you. Yeah. He. What? No. Yeah, too bad we have this pullback now. Like before taking the low. Nah, I will. I would not. I would not do it here because once again we rejection from something, not from like not just a pullback. So it's a pullback after taking something, and I don't want this to mess with my continuation because yeah, I would like to see lower, of course, but yes, I do think so as well. But once again, not not perfect for me. Well, let's see. We have this 5 minute. If you want to reject, no, I will not take a continuation once again after we took like something. Yes, we missed the low. Yes we have the key liquidity lower, but once again, I don't want to jump in shorts like at all at this point. I would like some longs, but I don't know if it's worth it. Well, longs of this 5 minute. Mm, yeah, but we didn't take any significant lows. Yeah. Yeah, I might just probably see this 5 minute inverse play out and I don't know, log off. Because once again, it's itching, yes, the long idea for me, but I just don't want to take it. It's not perfect. Yeah, just because we didn't take the main low. Mm, 15 minute is still not here. Oh yeah, now we're gonna pump, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, yeah, if we didn't have this low underneath, I would consider it for sure because, yeah, why not? We took the internal, the PD array, we took the leftover of the gap, we took the some Asia low, and now we're reversing. Let's see what happens on 1 minute. I have this one marked. This is I don't want to enter shorts. I will just see if it plays out or not. Yes. I use a set stop loss for 35 points. Yeah, which is quite small in market like this. So sometimes I can adjust, like lower the contract size and set the stop loss, for example, at the liquidity. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. We just had the pullback on 1 minute, which is good. I was about to say, but good for what? For potential longs I don't take. Hmm. Yeah. Yes, actually, inversed. Yep. Hmm. Yeah, watching it fly by. Well, the buy-in is here, but once again, I don't want to take it because we missed the low. Oopsie. Wrong language. 5 minutes. And yes, 5 minutes as well. Hmm. Well, we just pump. Yes, yes is leading super hard. Is it 1-to-1? No, not yet. 26. Yes, yes, took the next 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. But to be honest, I don't know what I'm looking for at this point. Yes, I'm rooting for this long to play out. Yes. Um, at least for 1-to-1. So I can, yeah. So I'm basically looking at this long to play out just for me to know. Just for me to know. And so I will consider it like played out if it hits 35 point, as I have on my ruler right now on the stream. Okay, it did. Nice. Here would be 1-to-1. Yeah, yes, is gonna invert the next gap. 15 minutes, okay. 2 minutes. Well, maybe I take the 15-minute inverse for longs, but it would be so late. My god, it's already 220 points, and for the inverse I will need 300 points. Fuck. The 15-minute. And on yes, the 15-minute is here. Okay, 1 minute. Wow, wow, what is this? Maybe I just take the 5 then. Yeah, at this point I don't know if it's chasing, because the lower 5 played out and taking the next 5 here. Let's see. The price target is okay, 53 points. But I don't know if it's gonna be enough, like the buying momentum, if it holds or not. Yes, the next gap is here, and Q, the next gap is here. Yeah, but the buying is crazy. Mate, 300 points already. Wow. So 1-to-1. Oops. 1-to-1 will be here. The 35. 53. Yeah, yes, is pumping and inverse in the next gap. The problem will be, if I enter this, the problem will be the yes taking the next gap straight away. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it. This inverse, I'm gonna try it for lungs. We have the 1 minute here, so let's see if we close above it. It will be a good sign for me. 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Yeah, we closed above. And I'm gonna try lungs here. And I'm not in. It's a good pullback right before the entry. Oh, the flip. I'm in. I'm in lungs. Thank you. So the quick 1-to-1. It's too late for the alerts. I will just write it down that we took the trade live. Oh, here we go. Wrong direction. And here is my stop. Wow. That was fast. And it's gonna, and it's gonna flip back, isn't it? I might re-enter if it does. Because it literally took out my stop loss and pumped back to the entry. Yes. I'm in again. I'm out. I'm out for 40 points somewhere here. Yes. At the high. And the 53 points. Yes, please. Yes. It had to stop me out before taking the take profit. Wow. But I'm good green. I entered with 5 The first entry was with 5 because it was iffy after 300 points, like crazy buying. It felt like overextended already. And yeah, so I took it with 5, and the re-entry was with 7. Well, thank you. Oh yes. Yeah, like like look at this. I'm gonna send a screenshot. Like look at this shit. In the live trading chat. Look at this. I just fucking hell. Oh yeah, this guy takes everything. I don't know. but you already green on the day, no? Because he posted the profits like earlier today. Oh my god. 250. Yes. Yes. So I'm sitting like big smiling here because you should have seen my face when it stop hunted me. Oh my god. Like the the yeah. Yeah. I liked the 1 minute closure we had before the 5 minute inverse. This one. So we had like small 1 minutes, 1 minute gap on the way. We closed above it on 1 minute, and then we inversed the 5 minute. It was the key for me to enter. It was like, wow, it's gonna work at least for 35 points. Yeah, after 300 points buying, and like pumped like 15 points or something, 10, 19. Okay, 19-point pump, and then like 50-point dump straight into my stop loss. And when I opened back the trade weight, because I entered the position and closed it, I opened it back. Like when I hear the like stop hit, uh, stop filled, I open it and the price is already at my entry. I was like, what? Yeah. Yes, yes, I'm like nothing to complain. It was like some, I don't know, rage bait from Q. Yeah, let me just fill up the alert channel. So we took it live, and yeah, then we can go continue with the day. Yeah. Let me switch to 5 minute time frame. The 5 minute what? The 5 minute gap we took like right now. Hmm. Yes, it's flipping back to green again. So yeah, I'm gonna fill up the channel for now. Cool. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Where's my body's space? I love how he's jumping like from life to life. He has maybe he has a couple of more. Maybe TJR is live as well. Let me see. Yes. So he's speaking with some, I don't know, some guy. But he's live on kick. Well, me too. But from what I saw, he waits for 1 minute, and well, he trades on 1 minute. He uses equilibrium, and that's it. Didn't really dig into this because, like, sometimes I see him in shorts, like at the low, for example, or in longs at the high. Yeah, but did you see his account? The main account. He was showing it on live, like a couple of millions bucks there. So, well, he's like an old guard in the game. So I believe in a couple of years we will see our P&L green and red, like much bigger than today's. Oh no 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 no, not in a couple of years. I think 50 minutes is crazy. 50 minutes, like it's six 600, for example, multiplied by 5. It's 30, yeah, 30k stop loss. 35. My god. This is like my accounts combined. He was generating content. But the props to him that he's everywhere. He like posts super often, and yeah, he's in my feed like every 10 reels I see TGR. I have no idea. That that's why I saw the memes about Epstein Island, like TGR, blah blah blah. My god. And P two. Oh fuck! I sent the enter in screenshot, not the actual screenshot of the results. So you're looking for price to come a bit lower to retrace, right? Yeah, yes, did. Well, after this big move, yeah, 380 points move. Wow, up after 500 points down. Well, yes, yeah, yes, retraced, but it never created any 1 minute to enter of the inverse after retracement. Thank you. Well, me too. I don't really prefer it. Like I prefer NQ anytime, but if NQ has nothing, like for example no gap to enter, I will switch to yes. Like let me. Yes. Yes, it's much smoother than Q. Let me open the journal. It has the statistics for me. So I have 122 trades recorded on NQ and 17 on Yes. Yes. No, that's what I'm working on. So for now, it's manual import. As I said, you go on Tradeaway in your broker. You download the document, and then you just paste it into the journal, and the journal like does everything for you. But it's manual work. It's not preferable. People don't like it. I don't like it, and I did it as a temporal measure, and yeah. So once again, last week I signed the agreement with official Tradeaway, so we can manage the official login on my website. So you will just see the box with like login with your Tradeaway on the website, on the journal website, and you will just open up the Tradeaway. You fill your login password, and that's it. The Tradeaway is connected to the journal, and the journal will see all the trades and display all of them without any manual import. Yeah, no, I signed the documents last week, and this week I just expect them to come, and by the end of this week I think it will be ready. Yes, because for now I don't really want to promote the journal, because once again I got the news about the official Tradeaway integration, and yeah, I will just wait for this to happen so I can advertise fully on TradeZella level, because like technically I have a lot of stuff, like I have a lot of stuff that's working, that's like fancy, good, not over complicated. Like the journal literally tells you what to do, what not to do based on your statistic, even without AI. So I didn't even connect AI yet to it. Um, and yeah, I'll just wait for this official Tradeaway because no one wants to fuck with manual imports. Yes, every day when I have time. What yeah, like this for example, we finished. Hmm. So we finished. I finished this trading for today, and yeah, I can go and be busy with it while wait for the Tradeaway email. I will just make new features. Um, yes, so the Tradeaway login will be like directly on the journal. So you just when you have the like now I have the section where you can import the file, and then it will be just no import, just login with Tradeaway, and yeah, just Tradeaway login will pop up, and you will log in, and the journal will see all the data, and yes, it will display everything, all the statistics, and yes, it already says what to do, what not to do based on your statistics, even without AI. So with AI, it will be just better. Yeah, so it's working now, like fully operational. So only the like fancy cosmetic like life quality remains. The main life quality is the Tradeaway integration, yeah, and the second is AI that will gather your statistics, and like the whole point of it is just to present it to you in the way uh, that like everyone can actually understand. So now it's saying on the dry algorithms on the dry code. So the code sees that you suck on Mondays. It says you directly don't trade Mondays. Like try to stay out of Mondays for a couple of weeks and see if your P&L increases. Or for example, if the very important thing, especially for me or for the ones who set a um, like stop loss in points, like for me 35 points, so I'm not setting it based on liquidity. For example, if your trades going into your stop loss, and your stop loss, for example, 35 points, and it actually it's actually not enough, so the trade retraced into your stop loss, like for example 45 points, and you had a stop loss of 35. You get stopped out. Oh, let me see. 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh, it's looking good. Yeah, 45 points already. Nice. Good luck. So what I was talking about, the journal will say if you get stopped out and it's like you need a bit of more stop loss, like a bit bigger stop loss. Like for example, you use 35, and it causes, for example, a lot of losses. But if you had the stop loss for 45 points, you would have like much less losses, and the journal will say it to you. Your performance, yes. So it has two aspects of statistics. The first one is what system can actually see like itself, right? The points, the time, the days, blah blah blah. And the second aspect, the second step, is when you have the trade in your journal, you need to evaluate it yourself. So there is like wizard with buttons and I don't know, graphics, and you open it and you just fill the data the system cannot fill by itself. So for example, what strategy did you use? Any tags that you want to apply to this trade? What else do I have? Let me see. So yeah, basically you fill up the missing data, and then the journal builds the statistics out of it. Yeah, for example, this the efficiency of the trade. Like for example, my trade, this one, I was out at 1-to-1, but trade hit my original full take profit at 53 points. So I missed some profits, and the journal will tell it to me, because it sees that I'm out at 39 points. It sees it, and it will ask me, was it my original target, or did I exit earlier than I planned? And I will say, I will be honest, because it's my journal, I will be honest with myself, and I'll say no. I will drag the ideal target to the level I was aiming for, to these 53 points, and the journal will say, okay, your efficiency of the trade was like 70%. So you missed. Oh yeah, I see. So yeah, the journal will say that, yeah, okay, this trade is good, but you missed 30% of the profits. Yeah, next time hold till your original price target, or don't hold if this like never happens. So everything is based on statistics. Yeah, it's two weeks. Yeah, thanks. I really like feedback. So, uh, like the guys who use it, I don't have the contact with them, and a couple of friends of mine who use it, well, they supply me with some, I don't know, not even the bug fixes, but the things they want to see themselves. Yeah. Oh, hey Spice, do you take anything? Did you take anything today? Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, but what do you think about the next 5 minute on queue? So we inversed the yeah. No, the stop. That's 2 minutes. Sorry, that's 2 minutes. I was on the 2 minute chart. Yeah, on 2 minutes we just inversed the 2 minute gap, and there is like another one on top. Well, yes, it's selling off quite hard. Yeah. So your stop loss is at the low like two like 29.50 500. Yeah, but in general it was on that low, right? Yeah, yeah. No, that's a lot. Wow. Oh yeah, 100 points. Well, what level did it take? You said it took some liquidity. Yes. Ah, that one. Okay. Yeah. No, actually, your trades because they're big, like the chart wise, compared to mine, like one to ones most of the time, 35 points. It will be a very good visual like representation of them in the journal. Because yeah, once again the hmm. Oh yeah, yes, it's selling. Yeah, but your one to one is 90 points in this case, so it's definitely like point wise. I'm just talking about the visual representation of the trade in the journal. Yeah, because sometimes my journal page with if you saw the landing page, I dropped the link. It was a screenshot with the view of the journal. You can have several like multiple views on the journal, and one of them is the trades section when you can see the grid of your trades um, with charts on top. Uh, yeah, and my trades sometimes look ugly because they're like the entry and exit are close to each other, like chart wise. Yes. Pull back into 2 minutes. Oh, we did. Hmm. Well, but we, we, we did retrace, no? And now we see some buying. Yeah, yeah. Mm. They have just minis. Yes, sometimes they like don't synchronize. It's looking good for you. I'm looking at. Oh fuck! I took a ginger shot. Oh my god! The small bottle with yeah, and whole ginger was on the bottom. Oh my god! My throat. um, I was about to say that I'm looking at the queue at the 5 minute time frame, and it's like so good. Just move down, move up. Just like how it looks. At which high? The main high that we did today. T. I'm in UK as well. I just have the schedule of American schedule. Yeah, I see that. Okay, 9:50. Yeah, and at my time in Trading View is also American. Yeah, 9:50 is bold. 250, 250, 1 to 2. Yeah, but that's 250 points. Wow, that's impressive. Yeah, it's definitely a different perspective of trading because like use the tight trades and bigger contract size. Yeah, 500. Mm. Increase actually inversion. Yes, is still somewhere inside, but thank you looks strong. Oh fuck! I closed my OBS.